Hi folks, it's Mr. Hood. I'm here in my greenhouse, which is also known as my guest bedroom. So like some of you guys, I grow fruits and veggies in the spring and the summer, but unfortunately, even though the weather's been pretty nice recently, it's not quite warm enough to plant outside yet. So, to try to get a little bit of a head start, I plant my seeds in these little guys called peat pellets. Now, the trick is to start your peat pellets and time them perfectly so that they're ready right about the time there'll be no more frost. This year, every week, I'm going to record my peat pellet plant's heights. Now next year, at least I'll have a little bit better idea of when to get my starter plants started. Now, before I show you the actual data, let me show you what the actual plants are.
So on February 17th, I planted some peppers, tomatoes, cantaloupe, and watermelon. On March 3rd, I planted a bunch of cucumbers, peas, and beans. Then on March 17th, I planted broccoli, tomato, and cantaloupe. Okay, so after 6 weeks of recording plant heights, I recorded the average height for each type of plant. So this is a data table showing the average height of each type of plant after each week. So, before I say anything about the results, pause the video and take 30 seconds to look at all parts of the data table. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions and you can respond with either some video feedback or comments. I'm going to repeat the questions at the end, so for now, just listen, watch, and pause the video if you need. So response number 1, what do you think this data table tells us? Response number 2, what do you think the independent variable is? And if you don't remember what an independent variable is, do a Google search for independent variable kids. Response number 3, how long have the tomatoes been growing? Response number 4, the plants grew the most quickly between which 2 weeks? Response number 5A, I want you to predict the height of the sugar daddy peas in week 5. 5B, predict the heights of the little marvel peas in week 5. And 5C, I want you to predict the week 5 heights of the Oregon Spring tomatoes. Okay, so here's those 5 questions repeated again. Can't wait to hear your responses. See you guys.